Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Longqi, I can't pronounce it, beauty hair. I'll leave everything in the description box anyway. I've had this hair on for a month now. I wanted to wear this hair for a month before I give an honest review. I'm not gonna just, you know, have free hair sent to me and just put it on and be like, oh yeah, this hair is so lovely, it's nice, it's good quality. No, I wanted to wear it a bit and give my honest review. This hair is gorgeous. This is curly Brazilian, 20 inches with a 20-inch closure as well. And this hair is just flawless, guys. It's so soft and luxurious, and it's really full. I've only got 3 bundles in. It's so full, and it's a decent length, 20 inches. Minimal shedding. Every hair sheds, so I'm not going to say the hair doesn't shed. It does shed. To maintain the curls, it's good to apply water, conditioner and a bit of oil, and rather than finger comb the hair, just brush it through with a paddle brush once the hair is wet and you put the conditioner in, and it will just bring the curls back like bomb. I'm telling you guys, don't leave the hair dry, because when it's dry it just doesn't look, you know, that attractive. But once you've wet it and conditioned it, girl, I'm telling you, this hair is just, you see the beauty of the curls more when you've wet it and you've added conditioner and a bit of oil to it. So I hardly advise that. It is high maintenance. I mean, obviously having curly hair is not a joke. I am a straight hair gal. I do love my straight hair, but I thought I'll try something different for the summer, and I'm loving the hair. I'm getting so much compliments about this hair as well. And yeah, so this is the hair. Just a quick review. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box if you would like to purchase. I'm saying it is a good purchase and it's worth the money. Worth the money in saying that it's quite reasonable. It's not even expensive. So if you go and have a look, you'll see for yourself. The price is really good. And yeah, so that's my quick honest review on this hair. This is the Brazilian curly 20-inch again. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.